Hi all. Today I'm live to talk to the seniors and retirees like me. Anybody out there that can say hi in my chat. But I thought this is very important. 2021 is already going strong. And what's happening? I'm a senior, worked for 40 years, 40 years of my life, trying to retire, trying to have money. And what happened? After working for a 9-to-5 job, working for a boss, I'm retiring without money. And don't want to call the pandemic the issue, but COVID-19 didn't make this easier. And not only for me, for a lot of you. So I don't want to say, do you want to be a millionaire? Do you want to have lots of money? Do you want to live your dream? I want to say, let's help each other in making an additional income online to make sure we survive the year ahead. If we can survive, look after ourselves and stay safe, things will happen by itself next year. So now that I'm a senior and I find that I'm not the only one in this problematic stage, that most of us cannot retire, most of us don't have enough money. After working for years, we still can't retire. I'm an affiliate marketer. I started 5 years ago. Like usual, you buy shiny objects, you get every guru and you pay them without making an income. I've been through that. I've done that. I learned a lot. And now that I know the ropes and I know the way, I thought, why not share it with my group and my friends and people in my age and also in my situation. I'm busy with an online business book. And in this book, I'm writing about learn, earn, and leverage. And this book, I write for people like me and you. We all matured, we all professionals, we all had a job, and we were always good enough to do our job. But now that we're older, now that we're slower, now that we're not as strong, maybe we don't fit in anymore. So let's show the world we can still do it. I'm not preparing to give up. I'm not preparing to stop. So why don't join me? Down below the link, I will put my YouTube channel. I'm a business coach and I can help you make your money online. And as I said, we're not making millions. We go for the pennies. The millions will look after themselves. As long as we have 1 cent more than what we need, I think this must be our focus. Focus on your goal. And this is to stay healthy, stay safe, and let's make money online. There's a lot of different ways that we can make money. Affiliate marketing has a lot of options. But if you don't have the right mentor and you don't have the right person to give you the ropes and show you the way, it takes a long time. And during this process, we make a lot of mistakes. Ask me. I did it. I've been there, paid out my last dollars. And what? Not to make any income from what they promise you, how they promise you, press a button. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Affiliate marketing is a long process, but if you do it the right way, you can make money as fast as you can, set up the process, and ensure that things are done the right way. So from my side, I would ask you, if you feel like you're interested in joining my group, joining my face group, joining my YouTube channel, leave me a comment below and say you're interested and I'll come back to you. I would love you to be part of this group and let's share our strengths together. matured, elderly people. We care about our generation. I'm one of the baby boomers, and I think there's lots of you out there that feels the same. We care about ourselves and we care about our generation. Let's help each other. I will show you what you can do and how to become a successful affiliate online. So thank you for listening and talk to you soon.